What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with TACKLIFE TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Today I got an item from TACKLIFE. Now, there are many external batteries out there, but there are few external batteries that can charge your vehicle. That's right, I got this item right here. TACKLIFE sent this item to me. This is the T8 800A car jump starter from TACKLIFE. Now there are other models. They have the T6 and they have the T8 1000A. All of them can be found on Amazon, but this one right here, the 800A, right now goes on Amazon for about $70. And as always, links will be in the description down below. But before we get into this, if this is your first time here, please click that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. I drop anything from headphones, speakers, external batteries. If it's tech, I'm reviewing it. That's what my channel is about. So now let's get into this item. So what comes inside this box, you'll notice that it comes in a nice rugged case, a black and orange rugged case that has a carrying strap, and on the inside you have your cables on this side underneath this mesh netting, and then under this flap is where you'll find the external battery slash jump charger wrapped in plastic. It's very nice. It has a nice little rubberized coating on here, but let me set this to the side. I'll get into that in a second. Also, you have your user manual, your warranty card. Now, let me be honest with you. I'm not the biggest car person, so I might be throwing out certain specs like volts and amps and stuff like that. And I don't know exactly what it can do. What I mean by that is if I say like this is a peak at 800 amps and your car starts at 500 amps, just take me for what it's worth. But throughout this whole entire video, I'll put YouTube cards up right here to other reviewers that have done an exceptional job on explaining this in more detail than what I did. So I guess this is simply for me just a merely unboxing. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the product, tell you all the cables that come inside, so just bear with me. So underneath the mesh netting right here, your cables, you have a USB mini cable. You have the main cable, what this was mainly designed for, which is your smart cables. And they're smart cables. I'll mention why they're smart cables in a little bit, but this is the cable. These are the cables. It's obviously to jumpstart your car. You have your AC charge unit, which charges up the external battery. You have your 12-volt lighter socket, and you have your 15 volts cigarette charger. So that's pretty much what comes into this case. So let me go ahead and set that to the side and get into the items that we have in front of us. So we already talked about the lighter socket. We talked about the cigarette charger, the AC charger, smart cables, which I'll come back to that in a second. So this device right here is an 18,000 milliamp hour battery pack. So not only does it have enough juice at 100% to charge your car, but it can also charge other devices as well, which they have on the side. So going around this product, you do have your LED screen, which displays the battery life and other information. You have an input port and you have an output port. You have two USB type A ports. The orange one is quick charge. You have your power button. Once you turn the device on, this power button controls this light up here. So there's 4 functions with this light. If you double tap the light, it'll strobe red, just like that. Push it again to cut it off. And if you hold the power button, it'll bring up the flashlight function. Now this flashlight function, you have your steady light, you push it once, you have your strobe light, and you push it again, and you have your SOS feature, which is a nice touch. I mean, to be honest with you, if you have to use this item for what its intended purpose is, you're probably not having a good day if you're using it on your vehicle. You have your on and off switch, which controls the whole device, and under this flap right here is where you'll plug in the smart cables. And the reason why, let me go ahead and plug this up real quick. And the reason why they call these smart cables is simply because this device has the ability to send 12 volts of power to these cables. Now these cables will not turn on until you plug them up to a battery, but if you push this boost button down, this boost button simply bypasses that and it sends the 12 volts. It sends the 12 volts through these cables without being hooked up to a battery. That's why they call them smart cables. They avoid sparks and everything with that boost button right there. You also have a compass on top, and that's pretty much it for this device right here. I simply just wanted to show you exactly what this TACKLIFE device can do. Now, some of the features of this product, this is obviously, I want to say pocket size, but it is a very compact size from what we're used to seeing when it comes to anything that can jumpstart your car. This jump starter cranks vehicles up to 6.5 liters for gas and 5 liters for diesel, up to 30 times with 800 amp peak current after full charge, and a full charge takes about 4.5 hours. You can use this device on SUVs, trucks, cars, motorcycles, and more, jet skis, anything that uses a battery that has the terminals for these jump start cables to hook up to. And also, like I said before, you can charge your mobile devices with this, with the quick charge and the regular charge USB type A ports on the front side of this. And that's pretty much all that I have for this device. I mean, I know this video was quick, short, and to the point, and like I said, I will be posting YouTube cards up here for a more detailed version from other YouTubers that did a lot better job than what I did, to be completely honest with you. And that's all I got. This is the TACKLIFE T8 800A car jump starter. And so don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you found this video informational, any helpful advice in any way, shape, or forms. Smash that subscribe button down below and click that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. Also, please feel free to like, comment, share this video. If you put comments down at the bottom, I'll do my best to answer them. If not, I'll most likely refer you to another YouTube video, simply because I'm not that big of a car enthusiast. And there's other people out there that just probably did a better job than me. This is Nicholas with the Tech Love channel, and I'm out. Peace.